Greetings of the day. This is again Pulkit Agarwal. So ये मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ? What am I seeing? The pages are blank. What will be I teaching you today? There is a twist in the part. Okay. Now we will understand the most critical problem of every student under class 10 and above class 10 also. Okay. We will be dealing with calculations. We will be dealing with calculations. What type of calculations are we dealing with? Today we will be dealing with the calculations basically of multiplication of bigger numbers. Okay, we'll develop the concept of how do we multiply easily using a basic tricks. Okay, plus many of the students would be feeling that to make our calculations easy in multiplication since class 5, but they land up at the same problem. They have to multiply a lot, and a bit of careless mistake makes them land up to wrong answers. So how can we deal with this? Okay, these part which I will be dealing with will be obviously the person or students who are dealing with mathematics in a multiplication problem. Okay, these are for them, and those who have a good multiplication catch up can also take help from this video. Okay, so what we will be dealing with? We will dealing with the first type of calculations. First of all, let me introduce you again. This is our channel 2 Gyanam, where you will be getting videos of up till class 10. Now, according to a teacher and a student faces more problems in calculation rather than in the chapter part. So, I will be dealing a bit of the calculations part over here also. Now, the second thing comes in my mind. This calculations can help a student who is practicing for government exams. Okay, they also need some calculation basis. How do I calculate? So I will take these calculation videos into a multiple parts. I will not totally discuss it in one part only. I will take it into multiple parts. How? The first case will be a bit easy. We will deal with the easy ones, and then gradually every week I will give you one video of calculations where you can deal with the calculation problems over here. So this is our channel 2 Gyanam, where we deal with maths and biology. Till now, if your company would help us, your company, then we can move to physics, chemistry and other subjects like commerce also. Okay, that is not a big deal. It's just a matter of concern. We are starting with maths and bio only. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the people who actually need it and to the ones who are in your acquaintance. Okay, this will help us and them also in any way out. Okay, nobody is waiting for anyone, but still a matter of concern will be there if you help me, and in return you also get help. Okay, so first of all we will deal with a trick, multiplication. Today I will be doing a bit basic so that it can go inside your brain perfectly. Okay, these will mostly help the students who are doing calculations of mean, median and mode. Okay, they have to multiply 75 into 75. Okay, they have to multiply 65 into 65. Now if I tell you this you can do in 5 seconds or less than 5 seconds, then this would be like, sir, you are lying. This is not possible, but yeah, it is possible. So we will be dealing with this type of multiplication today only. Okay, gradually I will bring more multiplication problems that actually was a problem for me in my childhood, and I don't want you to conquer that also. So I will bring a trick that will also help you, and I will face the problems which I faced in the junior classes so that you don't face it. Okay, I started this calculation from 5 when I was in 5. Why I started? Because I understood the concept of Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics. Okay. Now Vedic mathematics is huge. You can go till class 12 also. If you want to study Vedic mathematics, it is till class 12. In Vedas, in the areas where person teaches Vedic mathematics, they teach from class 1 to 12. Means all the things are Vedic mathematics. If you capture all the 1 to 12 concepts of Vedic mathematics that you study in normally 1 to 12 classes in your basic curriculum, then you can calculate like Shakuntala Devi. Okay, obviously she got it naturally, but yeah, if you understand the Vedas and Vedic mathematics fully, then you can calculate it on your fingerprints. Okay, but yeah, we have to live our normal life. We only can't dedicate our full life in mathematics. So we do a basic part of it which help in our lifestyle. Okay, which help us in our lifestyle. So let us understand the basic first trick. The first trick says that when 5 is in the unit place, 5 is in the unit place, 5 is in the unit place and the numbers are same. Okay, now if I say this, how will you represent it? If a 2-digit number is there, both the numbers are same and the unit place is 5, then it could be 25 into 25. Don't write it as 25 into 35 because they are not the same numbers. I have written here same numbers. Okay, I have written here same numbers. So if the numbers are same and the units place is 5, there is a trick of multiplication over here. That is, how can you multiply? Let us see over here. Let me rub this stupid things off. Now see, if I want to multiply this 2, see over here, the trick is 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25. Okay, no carry forward over here. Now add 1 over here. This is how much? 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 2s are 6. And this is your answer. And this is your answer. Okay. If you look at it very carefully, you can understand the trick over here. Okay. But yeah, gradually you solve it, you become very good at it. It's not like I have done one day and I became brilliant. No. I started it from 5 and I started using everything in my tricks. And after that, till I came to class 8, when I actually understand the concept of squares and square roots. In class 8, we study square and square roots. Okay. And this is basically 25 square. If you remember this is 25 whole square. This will be understood only by the people who are above 8. The student who are in 5 and 6 will not understand square for now. But obviously, a teacher can give you multiply 25 into 25. So this trick will only be applied when the numbers are same and the digits are in the units place as 5. Okay. So a student who can study square and square roots in class 8, and if they know from class 5 like me, so when they multiplied in class 8, everybody would be remembering the tables and you would be saying, sir, it is 625. It doesn't take time for me. So you will be out of the box, and being out of the box is always be glorified by everyone in the good sense. Okay. Not being out of the box in the bad sense. Okay. So if you look at it, now student may say, sir, 25 to easy hai. How about 95? Wow, dangerous sum. No, it is not dangerous. The tricks go same. 5 5s are 25. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. 10 into 9 is 90. Now a student may not be feeling very much hectic to multiply 10 into 9. It is in the basic tables. Obviously, 1 to 10 table are more easier than calculating 95 into 95. So if you want to check this from the calculator, you can check it. I took it 1 second to solve it. You will take 5 seconds to solve it. Gradually doing it for a year, you will be doing it in 2 seconds. And if you follow this as a mainstream, then you go for 1 second also, like me. If you don't follow for mainstream, then it will take time. Okay. Now, as a student, I am very curious that if I am learning something, is it perfect for all things? I am always curious. I don't want to learn anything that is like, yes, it can, it cannot be. These are the words which are not acceptable in maths. It will be or it will not be. Okay. So you can try this it for every term. 85 into 85, that is 5 5s are 25. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 8s are 72. You can check it with the calculator. You can check from 5 to 95 on your own and you will land to the answer that is correct to the calculator. And even if you want to, you can calculate on your indigenous basis, which you did from bachpan. 5 into 5, 5, 2 carry. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42. Now, 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 carry. 8 8s are 64, 6, 8. So this becomes as 5, 2, 2, 7. So if I am wrong, I would not land at the same answer. So there is every way you can think of checking yourself and your educator. And this is a must thing. Okay. Don't disrespect him or her. But checking it is your mandatory position. Is your mandatory concern. because you are learning something, and if you are not satisfied fully, then you should not learn. And if you know that the learning concept is so easy and I am getting fulfilled by it, so why not? Why not learning a new trick? It's not that you are moving on to a world where you feel like obsolete. You are not obsolete. You should learn these tricks. Okay. So 5 to 95, you can try this on, and you will get the answer exact to the answer from your indigenous theories also. Okay. And a student may ask, sir, is it visible for 3 digit, 4 digit? Yeah, it is, but it gets more difficult and difficult by the time. Okay. Like if a student says 105 into 105. So 5 5s are 25. Now this number acts as 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 into 10 is 110. So it will act for this also. But by the time you have to multiply a bigger number only. See over here, 11 into 10. This was acceptable. 11 into 10, this was acceptable. Now if I do for this, 5 5s are 25. 100 plus 1, 101 into 100. Okay. So this becomes as, this is easy. But by the time the number gets dearer and you feel problematic again. Okay. So this trick will apply for every number and till any digit. But the concept is the number should be same and the units place should contain a 5. Units place should contain a 5. So this was the trick for today. Okay. Remember these words when 5 is in the unit place and the numbers are same. This is only for that. And those students who have just understand whole square in class 8 and 9, if they are watching this video, then this is for you. Okay. So at least from 1 to 100, if you want to learn the whole squares, you will be getting 10 terms free of cost. And by the time you go for 90, at least 10% has been solved for you. You don't have to work for that 90%. Okay. So this is my video for the calculation tricks. This was the first calculation trick. This is the most easiest. By the time, try it and give the results in the comment section. If you feel good, then I will go for more calculation tricks. Okay. So like, share and subscribe is the main concept, and help the person who needs tricks in mathematics. Thank you.